3, 2, 1.
Water seeping into the ground is known as? The answer is D. Infiltration. He was a close friend of Byron and an incredibly popular singer, songwriter. Which Irish entertainer and poet, who wrote the lyrics to The Minstrel Boy, wrote these lines as well? The answer is A. Thomas Moore. What is the largest river on the planet by volume? The answer is A. The Amazon. Viruses were assumed to exist before they were first seen with an electron microscope in which decade? The answer is A. 1930s. Who is the protagonist of The Great Gatsby? The answer is B. Jay Gatsby. On which of Iron Maiden's album covers does Eddie appear wearing a straitjacket? The answer is D. Peace of Mind. What is not alive but still manages a corporation? A CEO. The answer is D. CEO. Which is a passive two-terminal electrical component? The answer is C. Transistor. The muscles of the anterior neck assist in deglutition, also known as what? The answer is D. Swallowing. What is the total range of the energy from the sun called? The answer is A. Electromagnetic spectrum. Which Egyptian pharaoh was named the Great Ancestor by his successors? The answer is B. Ramses Roman II. Class Bivalvia 2 shells includes clams, oysters, mussels, scallops, and these. The answer is D. Geoducks. What animal is known as a sea cow? The answer is C. Manatee. What is the capital of the Philippines? The answer is B. Manila. A student measured liquid with a graduated cylinder. Which of the following units could be used to record the volume of the liquid? The answer is D. Milliliters. In the Friends episode, the one with the Ike factor, Monica's boyfriend reveals that he's a high school senior, not a college senior. What was his name? The answer is B. Ethan. In the very last episode of M*I*S*H*, what did Colonel Potter receive as a goodbye gift from BJ and Hawkeye? The answer is A. salute. Most of the genes in the eukaryotic cell are found where? The answer is B. The nucleus. Which spice comes from the dried berries of a tree? The answer is C. Cinnamon. What is the unit of data transfer rate on the internet called?
The answer is B, byte.
Which was the original filming location of the X-Files series? The answer is A, British Columbia. What is the element? The answer is A, Lewis structure. Which mathematical term means the study of shapes and their properties? The answer is B, geometry. Which planet has a day longer than its year? The answer is A, Venus. There is one student at the fictional Degrassi school who is always talked about, but never seen. Who is this invisible but popular student? The answer is B, Heather Sinclair. Which dessert is also known as the Burning Sands? The answer is A, Sahara. Which capital city is located on the banks of the Potomac River? The answer is D, Washington. What is the name of the bridge connecting London and Paris? The answer is A, the Humber Bridge. Many computer drives have a capacity of a terabit. How many bits are in 1 terabit? The answer is A, 1 trillion. In what year did William Peterson make his film debut? The answer is C, 1981. What is the official language of the smallest sovereign state of South America, Suriname? The answer is C, Dutch. What environment do animals with gills live in? The answer is D, water. In the movie My Girl, when Vada attends her writing class for the last time, she reads a poem. What is it about? The answer is A, Thomas J. Who is the director of the award-winning films Antonia's Line, The Legend Defense, and Mrs. Dalloway? The answer is A, Marlene Gorris. In what novel one of the main characters is a white whale hunted by a whaling ship? The answer is A, Moby Dick. Which one of the following characters did Ruth Fisher not date in the TV series 6 Feet Under? The answer is C, Rico. Which of the following is Kenya's motto, that means let's work together in Swahili? The answer is A, Harambee. What are erasers often attached to? The answer is A, pencils. The statue of Zeus, a wonder of the ancient world created in the ancient city of Olympia in 435 BC, was made primarily of what material? The answer is A. Ivory. What present does Kelly give to Chuck upon his departure in the Castaway movie? The answer is C. Timepiece. What first full admiral of the Navy uttered the famous phrase, "Damn the torpedoes, full speed ahead," during the American Civil War at the Battle of Mobile Bay? The answer is B. David Farragut. Which artist is known for his cubism style? The answer is D. Pablo Picasso. Which car brand uses a blue and yellow logo? The answer is B. Toyota. The benthic zone is found at the bottom of all of what type of biomass? The answer is D. Aquatic. How do mermaids enchant people according to legends and myths? The answer is D. By singing. What kind of handlebar would you normally find on a road bike? The answer is C. Drop handlebar. Which day of the week is unlucky for Christians? The answer is C. Friday. Which structure is an example of modernist architecture? The answer is D. Seattle Space Needle. Which element has the symbol He?
The answer is A. Helium.
Which tree has the longest lifespan?